Whoa, holy smokers, this ain't no joke. A $62,000 YOLO into AMC. Pray for me, I don't usually do this. Oh, Wall Street bets. Oh, you gotta love Wall Street bets. We gotta talk about this, guys. We're gonna talk about this play. We're gonna talk about AMC stock. Talk about the short squeeze that's going on there. What I think's transpiring. Do the shorts love pain or what? Okay. All I ask is that you guys smash as always. So Wall Street bets. If you don't know Wall Street bets, highly sophisticated group of investors. Some of the most sophisticated investors in the whole world. I mean, they're the type of folks that really, have you ever seen somebody wear that shirt? It says, "I'm not here for a long time. I'm only here for a good time." That is the definition of Wall Street bets, okay? If you didn't know, I was being a little facetious there, okay? And so needless to say, I saw this play and I was like, we got to talk about this. This is quite interesting. Let's go ahead and get into this, guys, okay? And by the way, this person says, I don't usually do this. Yeah, I've heard that one before. Oh, gosh, look at this one. I don't even want to read that. Oh, man, that's too funny. Hey, all I got to say is I always go on there for a good laugh. I wanted a good laugh last night, and that's what I did. So I went on there because I wanted to laugh at some memes and stuff. And then next thing you know, I saw this play, and now we're making a video about it because this is crazy, okay? So essentially what they did here, okay? So they bought 4,000 shares of AMC stock yesterday. Average cost $15.03, right? As you guys know, I'm actually, I was kind of bullish on AMC, right? I did that video back when it was like, I don't know, $5 or whatever, and I actually spoke really positively of it. But that was to get it to the $15 to $20 range, right? And now folks are hoping it goes way over 20. Some folks are hoping it goes to 40, 50. I've heard some people saying it's going to $100. Some people saying it's going to $1,000. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll talk about all that. So $15.03 cost here. Market value at that time was $68,000. They put 28% of their portfolio. So what I gotta say, this is actually extremely safe by Wall Street bet standards. Oh my gosh, guys, they only put 28% of their portfolio into AMC stock. I mean, I'm telling you, like, I'm surprised this even got a lot of upvotes on Wall Street bets, because usually unless you go 100% of your portfolio plus margin plus, 17 years of bankruptcy, like usually you just you don't get any respect on there. So I was surprised they gave this person so much respect considering they only put 28% of their portfolio into AMC stock, okay? Now, as of yesterday, they had this return already, okay? Already on this. $8,200. But here's the thing. The stock's up huge again today, okay? So, needless to say, they're looking really, really good so far. They're 5 figures in the plus, big time, already on this one, okay? Look at AMC here today. It's trading at $18.73, up another 14% here today. I don't know where it finishes out at. We got over an hour until the market closes. We'll see what happens there. But as of right now, it is looking phenomenal for AMC stock, needless to say, up 14%. Another huge move upward for AMC here today. Now, options, you guys know Wall Street bets. That's that's what they're known for, man. The option plays, the YOLO option plays. What did they do? Well, once again, they decided to go with a super safe strategy, okay? Super safe by Wall Street bet standards, okay? All the way out to June 18th. It's like, oh my gosh, man, why not just do next week? Okay, although they probably would have made a lot more money if they did next week. And then they did December 17th options, okay? All these expire basically this year. Now, you guys know if I personally do options, I like to do them at least a year out, if not 2 years out. Usually when you can get new options on a stock, usually around September, October, that are actually dated out over 2 years in advance and won't expire until January 2 years in advance, essentially, okay? And so that's what I usually like to do if I'm doing options. But clearly, we got a difference of opinion here, okay? This individual did 12 contracts worth at that time, $5,800, but obviously they're already getting great returns on it, and the returns are they're looking a whole lot better now, okay? Look at this. So these ones expire June 18th. They bought 2 of them, okay? $12 calls. And at that time, $4.88. And I don't usually use Robinhood. Actually, I never use Robinhood, to be completely honest. Did I say Robin the Hood? No, Robinhood. I never use them, okay? $4.88. I don't know if that's what they paid or if that is what it was worth at that time. And then they have these $20 strikes here that expired December 17th, and they bought 10 of those there. $4.83. Once again, I don't know if that's what they paid or that's what they are worth at this moment, and taking into those gains into account. So how are those doing so far? Oh my gosh, you got to be flipping my flapjacks, okay? The $12 strikes, look at this. $12 strikes are now last traded hands for $7.21. $7.21. Talk about an ROI that is in the plus, needless to say. Oh my gosh, are they making some money on those ones, okay? If this stock keeps going up at this pace, man, this might be the next stock options millionaire off AMC stock, okay? And then as far as this one goes, December 17th, 2021, they bought $20 strikes there, and those ones are now trading hands at $6.67. So they're getting an unbelievable ROI already on this. Obviously, it is on the back that this stock performed amazing yesterday and amazing again today, okay? And, kind of speaking about the stock price, we're going to talk about that and kind of where I foresee this going and things like that. But look at this, okay? $7.21, $4.88. Once again, that could be actually what it was worth yesterday. So maybe they actually paid, a much, much lower price than $4.88 for these. And the $4.83s, they might have already 2x their money on those, okay? I would actually say they probably 2x their money on this one, if anything, unless, once again, that's what they paid. And these ones are looking obviously really good. And they still have time for these ones to play out. These ones are obviously, less than a month from now, right? I'm recording this video. It's May 26th. Of 2021, so you have less than a month there, and obviously, take out weekends, there's a limited amount of trading days, but this one has the momentum. There's no doubt AMC stock has the momentum. There's no debating that right now, and the meme stocks are alive. Look at what's going on in Gamestop. Look what's going on in AMC. Those stocks are being beasts, okay? Now, obviously, the stock has been a beast over this past week, right? This does have squeezy, more pleasy all over it, right? I mean, you look at this one, right? I mean, on Friday, it's trading for $12 a share, and now it's almost $19 a share, literally in a matter of a few days. A few days when it comes to stock, okay? And we're going to get into kind of where I see the stock going now and things like that. But that has short squeeze all over it, especially this move up here. There's no doubt about it. And when it comes to AMC stock and when it comes to GameStop specifically, it's been a story that's been basically all around the squeeze, right? Squeeze the shorts out. The hedge funds, whoever it is that's shorting these shares, squeeze them, okay? And, you guys know I don't really like short sellers. I've always spoke negatively on short sellers. I don't like short selling. I just don't, man. I just don't like the activity. I don't like anybody that's rooting for a company to go to zero. I just don't like that. I don't like the vibes of it. I don't like the whole premise of it. So I will say, Wallstreetbets and I are actually almost allies in a situation. Very, very strange, okay? But yeah, I don't like short sellers. I'll just be honest. I never have. I've had to deal with them so many times in so many countless stocks over the past 10 plus years I've been in the market. It's frustrating, man. I mean, a lot of times they'll make up lies. They'll do anything to make themselves look good. It's frustrating, man, having to deal with short sellers. I can say that, without a doubt. And so, short sellers, they engage in some not so good activity and very manipulative, activities a lot of times around stocks and things like that. And so, to see them kind of getting it, hey, you know what? They come to play that game, then they came to play that game, okay? Now, in terms of the short selling situation, what this kind of means for the stock and things like that, okay? So short volume, 57 million shares, right? 27% short volume ratio. What are the shorts thinking when it comes to AMC stock? I don't get it. They were shorting the stock super heavy at $10, $12, whatever, okay? Hoping it goes back to, $2, $5 or whatever. But, what are they thinking? What's the best case scenario? First off, you have all the movie theaters opening back up, right? You have all these movies coming. You have a huge pent-up demand for movie theaters. How long that lasts, I don't know. Maybe it lasts for a year or two. Maybe it lasts for 5 years. I don't know, okay? But there's going to be a huge pent-up demand. We can't deny that, right? And you have all that. And you had the stock already kind of getting beaten down from where it was, the highs it reached, a few months ago. And I'm like, what are the shorts thinking in this scenario? Why pile on and short this stock when you have all these things going? And lastly, you have the Reddit army, you have the Wallstreetbets, the WSB army after you. Why? Literally, I don't get it. I don't get why they want to short this stock to oblivion when you have all that working against you. Like in the stock market, the whole game in the stock market is risk reward. Risk reward. What type of risk am I taking? And what type of realistic return potential do I have? Okay. That's the whole game. And if you're short selling AMC stock, it just literally doesn't make any darn sense to me. Like I don't get it. I'm like, why? When you got an unlimited amount of folks that maybe potentially want to buy this stock, and as the hype builds, it just builds more and more people on it. Why does it make sense to short that stock when it's $9, $10, $11, $12? I don't get it, okay? Literally, it doesn't make any sense. Like, of the things you could do in the stock market, you picked a short AMC stock? Like, why? Like, it's just ridiculous, okay? Absolutely ridiculous, okay? Look at this. GameStop, AMC short sellers lost $754 million after Tuesday's rally. And guess what? Those stocks are rallying again today, okay? They're rallying again today. Let me pull up a real time on AMC stock here. AMC's now up 20%. AMC, you got to be flipping my flapjacks. It's almost at $20 a share now. It's at $19.72 right now. It's up 20.17%, which means these short seller losses are going to actually be way greater. Why, short sellers? Is this really the best idea you could come up with? Short an AMC at $9, $10, $11, $12? Come on, man. Like, really? Wow. Okay. Anyways, let me know your guys' opinion on this whole situation in that comment section. I would love to hear from you guys as always. Don't forget to smash, as always, most important part of the day. Much love and peace. If you want to join us in the private stock group, check out First Pin Comment, the Value Newsletter list, brand new. Check out Second